Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna give you a tour of my fire alarms. So first up, go in here. We have I have my system sensor P20R here, and my notifier pull station. Yeah, so this is based off the Honeywell and Firelight pull station because Notifier and Firelight are both made by Honeywell. So yeah, this is my system sensor P20R. Yeah, there's moving on to the next one. There's another system sensor P20R right there. This is a Firelight pull station. So yes, same thing made by Honeywell. I got another one in here, which is, and here guys, it's a very rare horn. Dang it. Sorry guys. A Faraday horn. You can't see it. Yes. Faraday horn. Yeah, that's my very rare, guys. Like, that's one of the old alarms in the house. Let's get out of here. Yeah, so let's move on. So I gotta turn off this light. Next one is in here. It's another rare. A system sensor horn. It's basically a P20R, but just the horn. Yeah, so here's my system sensor horn. Yeah, so the thing about this, it's based off the system sensor P20R, but just the horn, no strobe. So basically, one time this was outside, then I moved it into here. Yeah. Now let's move on. Turn off the light. So now we're gonna move on to the bathroom, which is, where's the light switch? A Siemens UHM. Actually, it's a Siemens UMN. Oh, strobe. Yeah, so basically I got this from my house. Actually, no, wait. I don't remember where I got it from, but yeah, it's a Siemens. Yeah. Okay. Did I miss any? No, I didn't. Now we go into my room, which here there's a system sensor mass. Yeah, mass. Yeah, this is one of my favorites, guys. It's a horn strobe. I like horn strobes. Yep. Now we go in here. Come on, guys. Turn on this lamp here. We got a system sensor P20R, another one, guys. Yeah. P20R. There's a birdie on the bird feeder. Yes, so there outside there's like a big, huge bird feeder. Like, it's about this long. And when squirrels get on it, they'll go flying. I'll do a video when a squirrel gets on it. But yeah, those were my fire alarms, guys. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.